So guys, I have a viral video, and in that video I talked about how I was able to clear my acne. Like, my skin went from looking like this to this. One of the most asked questions in that video was, how were you able to clear your dark spots? How were you able to fade your dark spots and get your skin looking so even and looking so smooth? So in this video, I'm going to be spilling the tea, like everything you need to know, the method I use, the product I use that helped me fade my dark spots. Not only fade my dark spots, helps me to get a smooth skin. This video is going to be quite long because I'm going to be covering a lot of things in this video. So I urge you, I would advise you not to skip any part of this video. Ensure you watch this video from start to finish so that you don't miss any vital information. But before we dive right into it, hi, if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Blossom Chinwe, and in here we talk about everything skincare, hair care, beauty in general. So if this sounds like something that resonates with you, please hit the subscribe button to join this wonderful family. Trust me, you are going to love it here. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and without further ado, let us jump right into the video. Now, there are 3 things that actually helped me with my skin, helped me to fade my dark spots and get an even smooth skin. Number 1 is using sunscreen, and not just any sunscreen, using a broad spectrum sunscreen. 2, exfoliation, using a chemical exfoliant. 3, using treatment products that target my dark spot. You need to make sure that you're putting these 3 things into consideration. Now, your sunscreen is important because dark spots, hyperpigmentation, they succeed, they thrive well under sun exposure. So you need to make sure that you are minimizing sun exposure, and even if you must go under the sun, you are protecting your skin by using your sunscreen. Trust me, even if you're using the best treatment products, you're using the best dark spot treatment products, the most active dark spot treatment products, and you are not protecting your skin from the sun by using a sunscreen, you are going nowhere. You will end up wasting your time and wasting your money. So this is why your sunscreen is very important. Like, it is non-negotiable. This is the sunscreen that I use. This is the Skin Aqua sunscreen. This is a broad spectrum sunscreen. If you're dealing with dark spots, ensure you're using a broad spectrum sunscreen. Don't go and use a glorified moisturizer like Dr. Rachel or any of these sunscreens on the screen. They are not going to give you full protection. So get yourself a good broad spectrum sunscreen, and make sure you are using the 3-finger rule when you are applying your sunscreen. You're going to take your sunscreen and apply it on your 3 fingers. I'm not going to do that in this video because I'm trying to manage this sunscreen, and I've already applied sunscreen before making this video. But this is what you're going to do. With your 3 fingers, you're going to apply sunscreen on them and apply on your face. Applying your sunscreen on your 3 finger will give you the adequate amount of sunscreen that your face needs. If you'll be staying outside or under the sun, ensure that you are reapplying your sunscreen every 2 hours. Make sure you apply your sunscreen 15 minutes before leaving the house, because it takes 15 minutes for your sunscreen to activate. So don't apply your sunscreen immediately and then you go outside. Your sunscreen needs time to absorb into your skin and form a protective barrier. So this happens 15 minutes after application. If you step outside immediately after application, it will leave your skin vulnerable to UV damage during the absorption period. And the next thing that helped me was exfoliation. If you have bumps on your skin, even after you've dealt with your acne, you have bumps on your skin, or your skin just feels rough, go and get yourself a chemical exfoliant. Exfoliating your skin, especially using a chemical exfoliant, will not just help with smoothing the surface of your skin, it will also help with your dark spots and your hyperpigmentation. Now, 2 chemical exfoliants that will work really well with your skin texture and your dark spots are glycolic acid and lactic acid. So if you have like a dry skin, you might want to get a lactic acid exfoliant, but if you have like a normal or oily skin, you might want to get a glycolic acid exfoliant. Now, I'm not going to talk about salicylic acid because salicylic acid, although it is a good chemical exfoliant, but it doesn't do much when it comes to hyperpigmentation. This is the chemical exfoliant that I started using. This is the Balanced Active 10% AHA plus 2% BHA retexturizing serum. I noticed that my skin started getting really smooth when I started using these products, and I noticed that with consistency, these products here helped with my dark spots. Don't worry, I'm going to show how I use all these things in my routine. I'm going to show how I incorporated them in my routine, but I just want to show you the products first of all before I go into how I use them. So I've talked about sunscreen, I've talked about exfoliation, and now the next thing that helped with my dark spots was using dark spots treatments. Now these are treatments that target your dark spots. They are also known as tyrosine inhibitors. Now what your tyrosine inhibitors do is that they suppress the production of melanin on your skin, thereby fading hyperpigmentation, fading dark spots, and giving you a brighter and even skin tone. Now there are different ingredients that helps with your dark spots. We have vitamin C, we have niacinamide, we have alpha arbutin, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, kojic acid, even hydroquinone in 2%. Now when you're looking for products that will help to treat your dark spots or products that will help to target your dark spots, ensure that you're using products that contain either 2 or more of these tyrosine inhibitors. Frankly speaking, using just vitamin C or using just niacinamide or using just alpha arbutin will not really do much for your dark spots, especially if you have severe dark spots. But if you have like few dark spots here and there, they can work. But for severe dark spots, ensure that you're using a combination of 2 tyrosine inhibitors or more to get effective results and fast results also. These are products that targeted my dark spots. The first I have here is the Kojisan lightening soap. Main ingredients in this soap is Kojisan. The main ingredient in this soap is your kojic acid. Now there are lots of controversies when it comes to this soap. Some say it works for them, some say it doesn't work for them, some say it is too harsh on them. I can beat my chest that this product works, but I know that it doesn't work for everybody. But if your skin can accept this product works 100%. Another product that helped to target my dark spots is this Thiam Vita B3 sauce. Now this product contains niacinamide and it contains alpha arbutin. Next product that targeted my dark spots is tretinoin. Yes, this right here. Now this is an overall product. Like what I mean by overall product is that it targets a lot of things. It helps to prevent acne, it helps to fade dark spots with consistency, and it helps to also smoothen your skin texture, give you a very smooth skin. It also has anti-aging benefits. So these are the treatment products that I used: the Thiam Vita B3 sauce, Kojisan lightening soap, and tretinoin. And now I'm going to show you how I incorporated them in my skincare routine. Your morning skincare routine should be very simple, and you should focus on protecting your skin. When it comes to your nighttime skincare routine, that is when you will now focus on using products that will treat your skin concern. So in your morning skincare routine, it is going to be the same from Monday to Sunday. You are going to cleanse using a gentle hydrating cleanser like this. This is a good cleanser because it contains ceramides that will help to strengthen your skin barrier. It contains hyaluronic acid and oil. So this is a mild, good cleanser. This is the face fast ceramide cleanser. You are going to cleanse your skin using something mild and gentle like this. Next in your morning skincare routine is your toner. Now this is not so necessary, especially if you are on a tight budget, but if you can afford to get a toner, you get it. It has lots of benefits. So this is the toner that I use. This is a hydrating toner to also help to brighten your skin, and it works to an extent to fade dark spots because it contains licorice extract. Then after your toner, the next is your antioxidant serum. If you don't want to get niacinamide serum, you can get a vitamin C serum or a ferulic acid serum. They are all antioxidant serum. And then the last thing is your sunscreen. You can actually skip your moisturizer during the day and just go in with your sunscreen, especially if you have an oily skin. If you feel like your skin is too dry and you need a moisturizer, you can actually use your moisturizer before using your sunscreen. Now in your nighttime skincare routine, this is when you focus on treating your skin concern, which is your dark spot. So first thing first, you are going to be exfoliating your skin at night. This is your chemical exfoliant. You can decide to get a different chemical exfoliant. This is the one that I used and I'm still using even till date. So let's say I'm using this product on Monday night. This is how my routine would look like. I'm going to cleanse using a gentle cleanser or any cleanser of your choice that is gentle. Then I'm going to go in with this product. This is a wash off chemical exfoliant. I'm going to apply this after washing my face, and after my face has dried up, I'm going to apply this and then I'll let it sit for 10 minutes and then I wash off with just water. After that, I'm going to go in with my toner. After After that, I'm going to go in with my Term Vita B3 sauce, go in with my moisturizer, and then I go to bed. So on Tuesday night is when I use my Kojisan lightening soap, and this is how my routine looks like. So I'm going to cleanse using my Kojisan lightening soap. I'm going to lather the soap on my palm and then apply it on my face. I'm not going to apply the soap directly on my face. I'm just going to lather a little bit on my palm and then apply on my face and let it sit for 30 seconds at most. After washing with the Kojisan lightening soap, I will now go in with my toner, and then I go in with the next product, which is this niacinamide serum, and I seal in everything with my moisturizer, and then I go to bed. I use the Kojisan lightening soap 3 times a week. I use it on Tuesday nights, Wednesday nights, and Thursday nights. So let's do a little bit recap. On Monday nights and Friday nights, I'm going to be exfoliating my skin. Tuesday nights to Thursday nights, I'm going to be using my Kojisan lightening soap. Then for the other night, that is from Saturday night and Sunday night, this is how my routine looks like. I go in with my cleanser, my toner. I like to use this face fat ceramide serum. It will help to strengthen my skin barrier and just help to hydrate my skin also. Now let me say this before I forget. No matter your skin concern, whether you're dealing with acne, dark spots, don't just focus on treating your acne or your dark spots. Also ensure that you are strengthening your skin barrier, you are protecting your skin barrier, because if your skin barrier gets compromised, where you are just focusing on your skin concern and you keep using actives upon actives, not showing any care to your skin barrier is going to get damaged, and once your skin barrier gets damaged, you're not going to see your results. So ensure that while targeting your skin concern, you are also protecting your skin barrier. So the remaining days of the week, which is Sunday, Saturday, and Sunday, I go in with this, and then I apply my moisturizer. I continued with this routine for about 2 months and more, and trust me, I saw drastic improvement in my skin. My dark spots in particular faded drastically. That is why I swear by Kojisan lightening soap. This soap is very, very active when it comes to evening out your skin, fading your dark spots or your hyperpigmentation. Only problem I had then was my skin texture. My skin texture wasn't looking as smooth as I wanted it to be, and that was when I now incorporated tretinoin in my routine. So when I decided to use tretinoin, I felt that okay, kojic acid or Kojisan will not be necessary again. I don't have dark spots anymore. Even if I must use kojic acid soap, I'll use it like once in a week just to maintain my complexion and to prevent dark spots. It will not be as a preventive product and not a treatment product. So tretinoin now replaced the Kojic lightening soap, and this was how my routine looked like when I started incorporating tretinoin in my skincare routine. So on Monday, I'm going to use my chemical exfoliants on Monday. Remember that your morning routine is still going to be the same thing regardless. So on Monday nights, exfoliating days. Tuesday nights is when I'm going to go in with my tretinoin. Now this is how my routine would look like on this. I'm applying my tretinoin. I'm going to cleanse with a gentle cleanser, apply my toner, apply this, apply my tretinoin, then I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. That's for Tuesday night. Then Wednesday night, I'm going to allow my skin rest. I'm just going to cleanse using my gentle cleanser, my toner, my ceramide serum. Sometimes I might go in with my niacinamide serum. Sometimes I just leave it and go straight to my moisturizer. Then on Thursday night, the cycle continues. I use my exfoliant on Thursday night. On Friday night, I use my tretinoin. On Saturday night, I let my skin rest. Then on Sunday night, I still use my tretinoin. So I am resting for 2 days. I'm using my chemical exfoliant for 2 days, and I'm using my tretinoin for 3 days. So you see, there was always a balance when it comes to using actives and having time for my skin barrier. It is very, very important. So I continued with this routine. In fact, this is the routine I'm still using even up to now, and my skin has been amazing. I noticed that my skin started getting smoother. So tretinoin was the icing on the cake. So guys, as you can see, it wasn't a day's job. It wasn't like a 1 month job or a 2 month job. It took me time. Like if I'm to calculate the number of months it took me from clearing my acne to fading my dark spots, in total it took me about 7 to 8 months or even 9 months to get my skin looking like this. So skincare is a journey, it is not a sprint. Take things step by step. If you're dealing with acne and you're dealing with dark spots, focus on your acne first of all before going to target your dark spots, and be patient with your routine. Once you use the right products, you take the right steps, you stay consistent and patient with your routine, trust me, you're going to see results. Like, skincare works. So guys, I really hope this video helps. Like, I really hope this video helps. If you have any question, if there is any confusion whatsoever, ask them in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Please like this video. It helps to push this video to the right audience. Subscribe to join this wonderful family. Share my video to your family and friends. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.